What's up, everybody? Today I will give you the easiest solution to fix this problem on your WeChat. So just follow and watch this video till the end. So directly go and open the settings of your mobile phone. Click on your apps option and search for WeChat and click on it when you will find it. Now scroll this list, click storage and click clear cache and back now, click on for stop, click OK. Move to Play Store or App Store and update WeChat, restart. Now your device and your problem will be solved after that correctly. So don't forget to like and subscribe and see you next video.